Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. All right, wanted to do an update, obviously, because we got the breakout we wanted yesterday. All right, so yesterday we were already talking about that Jasmy looks quite interesting, and you can look up the video, right? So it's all documented. I'm not lying to you, and most of you know this. But yesterday we were already talking about that Jasmy looked quite interesting because what we saw in the morning is that Jasmy both, and I will stay on a 4-hour time frame, I think, for this. But Jasmy broke both above. First of all, it already found some strong support right here in a major support level. If you zoom out, all right. So just large time frame. The levels around 16 or 1.6 cents, excuse me. Technically is a very strong level. And then we also reclaimed this level at 1.69 cents. And then what I said yesterday is that, all right, well, we're seeing some bullish momentum coming in, both for the market, which most of you know has continued to come into the markets, but also for Jasmy. Jasmy gained some real strong momentum over the course of yesterday. So what I said is that, all right, well, it looks like we are starting to form some sort of a bullish formation, but I will buy when we break above this level here at 1.75 cents. And that's when I bought. All right, I bought once we got the 1 hour time frame close above that. All right, so somewhere right here around 1.77, I think I bought. And since then, I would argue that we are still bullish. All right, and I'm obviously a little bit biased, all right, because I bought Jasmy, so I want it to rally. But if you look at everything right now, what you can see is that, all right, well, this is, the problem is that we have lost a lot of that momentum again for Jasmy. All right, so what I think is the case right now is that Jasmy first yesterday had its own momentum to kind of rally up and to get a breakout. And I think at this moment it's more correlated to and dependent on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin at this moment is still bullish, but Bitcoin could also pull back. All right, and you can see that Jasmy right now and on the 4-hour time frame, it's that area around the 200 EMA. Jasmy has found some resistance. So what's possible here, if you look at this structure, I would say it's bullish. Right, so we're making higher lows and we're making higher highs. So I am bullish on Jasmy, but what I do think is the case is that right now it's more dependent on Bitcoin, like I said. So it depends on Bitcoin what will happen, and I think it's quite likely that we'll actually have a little bit of a bigger pullback here, something like this, consolidation, and then a continuation up to 1.95 and 2 cents. That's what I think is most likely. Now, is that necessarily what's going to happen? No. All right, this is only going to happen if we do not gain momentum on our own. And what you see right now as well, to kind of add another factor to the story, is that Jasmy is seeing some momentum increase again. It's very low. It's kind of at the same levels it was at yesterday morning. But if this increases and if this continues to go up, then Jasmy will rally either way, independent of what Bitcoin does. All right, so yeah, in general, I'm just bullish on Jasmy. All right, I think in both scenarios, so either if we gain momentum right here, that would be the best case scenario, and because then we can potentially also break above 2 and 1.95 cents. But if we don't gain that momentum, I am bullish on Bitcoin. I think it's most likely that Bitcoin overall, of course, with the occasional pullback, but overall, I think it will remain bullish. So that has a positive effect on Jasmy as well. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know down in the comments. But no, I think we have it all covered. So thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and bye.